remaining sums in the exercise 4.1. So last class we completed first two sums in the exercise 4.1. Today we are going to see third sum. What is the question given here? Form the differential equation by eliminating alpha and beta. Form the differential equation by eliminating alpha and beta from x minus alpha whole square equal to plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. So what is the question given here? Form the differential equation by eliminating alpha and beta from x minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square equal to r square. What is it given here? X minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square equal to r square. Now we are going to differentiate this equation. Now we are going to differentiate this equation. It will be getting this one 2x minus alpha plus here itself y minus beta whole square. So it will be here we are having y here. Now we are going to, so this 2 will be comes behind from the y minus beta. Then now we are going to differentiate y here because y comes in that will be you are getting dy divided by dx here. So what is the equation here? So y minus beta, differentiation of y minus beta, that will be 2 y minus beta, 2 into y minus beta. Then here itself if we are having y here, then you are going to differentiate the y, that will be dy divided by dx here. This one is a constant value, that will be differentiation of constant value, that will be 0 here. What is the equation getting here? 2 into x minus alpha plus 2 into y minus beta dy by dx equal to 0 here. Now we are going to divided by 2 from this throughout equation. What is the remaining equation? X minus alpha plus y minus beta dy divided by dx equal to 0 here. So x minus alpha plus y minus beta dy divided by dx equal to 0 here. Then we are going to substitute. Then we are going to, this one is a second equation. This one is a second equation. What is the question given here? This one is a first equation. This one is a second equation. Now we are going to differentiate. Again you are going to differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So now what's getting here? Here you are going to differentiate this one. X minus alpha, x will be a differentiation of x value, that is 1 here. The minus alpha, differentiation of minus alpha, that will be totally 0 here. So 1 plus here itself, it looks like a UV method. So you know already UV formula. So here itself we are having y minus beta remains constant here. Now we are going to differentiate this one dy by dx, that will be dy divided by dx, that is d square y divided by differentiation of dy by dx, that will be d square y divided by dx square. Then you are going to, so v will be separated here plus what is the v value? Dy divided by dx here. Now we are going to differentiate this one. So y, if you are going to differentiate y means minus beta will be 0 here. So if you are going to differentiate dy means that will be dy divided by dx here. So this one is a UV method. Here 1 plus y minus beta d square y divided by dx square plus, so now we are going to multiply this one, that will be dy divided by dx the whole square equal to 0 here. This one is the third equation. Now we are going to substitute 2, 1, 3 second and third equation. So now we are going to modify the third equation. So remind this. What is the third equation here? That is 1 plus y minus beta d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx the whole square equal to 0 here. Here itself we are using this one, this value and this value, it will be goes that side 1, and dy by dx the whole square, it will be goes that side, it will be changes into minus. So y minus beta d square y divided by dx square equal to minus of 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square. So then y minus beta, this value will goes that side, it will be changed, it went to the divided form. 1 plus value goes that side, 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square. So here itself we are finding the y minus beta value. So then we are going to substitute this value into the equation number 2. So substitute y minus beta value into equation number 2. So what is the second equation? Substituting y minus beta in equation 2. What is the second equation here? That is x minus alpha plus y minus beta dy divided by dx equal to 0. Now we are going to substitute y minus beta value into in this equation. What is the remaining? X minus alpha plus, here we are having minus, means here so we have to substitute like this, 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square into dy divided by dx equal to 0, into dy divided by dx equal to 0 here. So then now we are going to this minus value, it will be goes that it will be changes into plus, because this in this equation we are going to find out the x minus alpha value, because we have already find out the y minus beta value. Now we are going to find out the x minus alpha value. So what is the value here? X minus alpha equal to, so this minus value it will goes that it will be changed into plus here, that is 1 plus dy by dx the whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square, here dy divided by dx. So this is a x minus alpha value. Now we are going to substitute this value into equation number 1. Substitute x minus alpha and substitute x minus alpha and y minus beta value in equation 1. So what is the first equation given in the question? X minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square equal to r square. Now we are going to substitute this value. What is x minus alpha? That is 1 plus dy by dx, 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square into dy by dx the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square. What is the y minus beta value? That is 1 plus dy divided by dx divided by dx a whole square, then divided by d square y divided by dx square. Minus, so it's a whole square, this one, plus minus of whole square equal to r square. So listen here. Here we are going to taken the square into the equation. So what is the square values here? Here we are going to cancelling this one. So now we are going to, the square will be comes into equation, that will be, you have to write like this, 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square power of whole square, then divided by d square y divided by dx square power whole square, here dy divided by dx square the whole square, plus minus will be, this square will be, minus will be squaring, that will be changes into plus. What is the remaining values here? That is 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square power of square divided by d square y divided by dx square equal to r square. So now we are going to cancel, it will be goes that side. This denominator will be goes that side. So what is the remaining values here? That is 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square into dy divided by dx the whole square plus 1 plus dy divided by dx power of whole square equal to r square into d square y divided by dx square whole square here. So here itself we are taken commonly from the equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square taken commonly from this equation. So what is the remaining values here? 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square taken common. Remaining values, that is dy divided by dx the whole square plus 1 equal to r square into d square y divided by dx square whole square. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Let me see the what's the requirement asking from the differential equation by eliminating alpha and beta. Here itself we are eliminating the alpha and beta from this equation. Here we are having only differentiation term. There is no alpha beta terms. We are eliminating the alpha beta terms. Let me see the fourth sum. So what is the question given here? Find the differential equation of family all the straight lines passing through the origin. The equation of the, so find the differential equation. Now we are going to find out the differential equation of the family of all straight lines from the passing through the origin. The equation that represents family of straight line passes through the origin. So that is the family of straight line equation, that is y is equal to mx. That is y is equal to mx here. Now we are going to differentiate this one. So here itself we are getting dy divided by dx equal to m will be remains constant here. That will be x will be 1. That is m is equal to dy divided by dx. Now we are going to substitute m in this first equation. So you are getting this one, y is equal to dy divided by dx, x dy divided by dx. That's all. This is the answer for. So this one is a differential equation of the family of straight line, all straight lines passing through the origin. This one is a family of straight line differential equation. So let me see the fifth sum. So what is the question given here? That is, form the differential equation that represents all parabola each of which has latest rectum A. Form differential equation that represents the parabola each of which has latest rectum for A and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. So what question given here? Form differential equation that represents the parabola each of which has latest rectum 4a and whose axis parallel to a x-axis. What is the equation? The equation of the family of the curve. The equation of family of parabola that is y minus k the whole square, y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. 4a into x minus h. So here itself we are going to differentiate this one. So now we are going to differentiate this one. Here we are getting 2 y minus k, 2 into y minus k. Now we are going to again differentiate this y. you are getting dy divided by dx here. Here itself 4a will be multiplication. Here itself h will be 0. So x will be minus 1 here. What is the remaining equation? 2 into y minus k dy divided by dx equal to 4a. So what is the value for 4a? That is, in this 2 it will be goes that it changes into divide. So y minus k into dy divided by dx equal to 4a divided by 2. Now cancel this 2, this 4, 2 into 4. Yeah, that will be y minus k into dy divided by dx equal to 2a. So y minus k dy divided by dx equal to 2a. So what is the question asking here? Form the differential equations. Form the differential equation. Here itself we are finding the. So here we are going to find out this one. Dy divided by dx equal to 2a divided by y minus k equal to 2a divided by dy by dx. Sure. Now we are going to substitute this y minus k in the first equation. This one is the first equation. Now we are going to substitute y minus k value in equation number 1. Getting this one, differentiate with respect to x. What's the equation we are going to find out? This one, that is y minus k dy by dx equal to 2a. So now we are going to differentiate this equation. So what's the value you are getting? Again you are going to differentiate this one. So y minus k dy by dx means u into v method. This one is a u into v. The u will be remains constant here. So now we are going to differentiate the d squared y divided by dx square plus. So dy by dx will be remains constant here. So here only we are having y. Y are going to differentiate this one. We are getting dy divided by dx here. So equal to 2a will be constant value, that will be so totally 0 here. Y minus k d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx whole square equal to 0 here. So now we are going to find out this one. Substitute y minus k value in this. Substitute y minus k value in this equation. What is the y minus k value? That is 2a divided by dy divided by dx into d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx the whole square equal to 0. Now we are going to multiply this one. So it looks like a mixed fraction here. 2a into d square divided by dx square plus, here we are having already one square here. Here we are having one value, that will be, you are multiplying this one, dy divided by dx, that will be cube here. So changes into cube. Here we are having square here. We are having power, that will be 1. So this value will goes multiplying into dy divided by dx. You are getting dy divided by dx the whole cube here. This is a formation of differential equation. So let me see the sixth question. What is the question given? Find the differential equation of all circle passing through the origin and having their center on the y-axis. Find the differential equation of all circle passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. That is means this is a condition for this one. Find the differential equation of all circles passing through the origin. This circle will be passing through the origin. This circle will be passing through the origin. So, and having their centers on a y-axis. Their centers on a y-axis, that is a comma 0. So now we are going to start the equation. What is the equation of family of circles? The equation of the family of circles. That is y through y-axis at origin. Y-axis at origin. What is the equation we are going to write like this? x minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to a square. X minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to a square. Now we are going to abbreviate this one, that is x square plus a square minus 2ax plus, here we are having only y square equal to a square here, because we are going to it looks like a minus b the whole square. Now we are going to abbreviate this one. So what is our remaining values here? X square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square equal to a square. This plus a square will be goes, that will be changes into minus x square minus 2ax plus y square equal to a square minus x plus will be 0. So x square minus 2a x plus y square equal to 0 here. So now we are going to differentiate this one. Now we are going to differentiate this equation. So this one is the first equation. Now we are going to differentiate this one. What is the value getting here? That is 2x minus, here it will be 2a, here 2y dy divided by dx equal to 0 here. So 2x minus 2a plus 2y dy divided by dx equal to 0. Now we are going to divide it by 2 throughout the equation. Divided by 2 from throughout the equation, that is x minus a plus y dy divided by dx equal to 0. So now we are going to divide it by 2 throughout this equation. What is the remaining values getting here? That is x minus a plus y dy divided by dx equal to 0 here. Now we are going to substitute in this equation. We are finding out in the a value. This minus a, this will be goes that side, will be changed into plus x plus y dy divided by dx equal to a here. So what is the a value? X plus y dy divided by dx equal to a. Now we are going to substitute a value in the first equation. What is the first equation here? That is x square minus 2ax plus y square equal to 0. Now we are going to substitute this one. Substituting a value in equation 1. What is the first equation here? That is x square plus y square minus 2ax equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2 into x plus y dy divided by dx into x equal to 0 here. So now we are going to multiply this 2 and x into the equation y square equal to, that is 2x square plus 2xy dy divided by dx equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2xy dy divided by dx equal to 0 here. Now we are going to subtracting this one, minus to the y square minus x square minus 2x plus x square, that will be cancelling, minus subtracting this one, you are getting minus x square here, y square minus x square 2x square dy divided by dx equal to 0. Here itself we have to write like this, minus 2xy dy divided by dx here. This is the answer for. So what is our question asking here? Find the differential equation. This is the differential equation of the all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y axis. Let me see the seventh question. So what is the question given here? Find the differential equation of the family of parabola with 4c at the origin. So what is the difference between here? Find same differential equation of family of parabola, but with 4c at the origin. With 4c at the origin. 4c means that will be focus at the origin. And axis along the x-axis. And axis along the x-axis. And axis along the x-axis. The equation that represents the family of parabola, that represents family of the parabola with foci at the origin. The equation that represents the family of parabola with foci at origin, that equation, that is y minus 0 the whole square. So first we have to draw the drawing here. That will be getting like this. Curve will be, parabola looks like this one, 0 comma 0, that is focus here. That is focus will be face here, that is 0 comma 0. Then here itself we are getting what, that is V, vertex, that is a comma 0. So focus 0 comma 0, vertex a comma 0 here. Now we are going to write the equation, that is y minus 0 the whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus a. Minus 4a into x minus a, because here there will be y value will be 0 here. Y minus y1 the whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus a. What is x1 value? That is a here. Now we are going to substitute this one. So what is the remaining value? Is y minus 0 the whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus a here. So now we are going to differentiate this one. So here we are getting 2y. Again you are going to write like this. 2y equal to 2y and y dash here. Because now we are going to differentiate not 2y. In case we are having this one here, we are having 2 into y dash value, because y square plus 0 a minus b the whole square format. Here itself we are having only y here. So here the differentiate this one. So now write like this. Y square equal to minus 4a into x minus a. It will be clearly understand now. Now clearly understand you. Differentiation. Now you are going to differentiate this one 2y. Again you are going to differentiate now y. That will be y dash here. So then you are getting minus 4a. So remain constant here. That will be 0 here. X value will be 1. So no need to write like this. So 2y into y dash equal to 4a. So this one is the second equation. This one is the what's the first equation given here? First equation. This is the second equation. Now we are going to y dash equal to this 2 will be goes that side, will be goes to divide here. That is you have to cancel this one. Y dash equal to minus 2a. This one is the third equation. Now we are going to squaring this third equation. So what is the third equation? Y dash equal to minus 2a. So now we are going to squaring on both sides in equation 3. So here we are getting y square, y dash of square equal to minus will be changes into plus. That will be you are getting this one 4a square. So this value getting here, that is 4a square. So this one is one value here. Now from first equation, what is the first equation here? From 1 y minus 0 the whole square minus 4a into x minus a. Now we are going to multiply this one. Here it's a y square equal to minus 4ax minus into minus plus 4a square, because we are using this 4a square. Now we are going to substitute minus 4a value and 4a square value. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So this one is now fourth equation. Equation 2 and fourth equation in equation 1. So what is first equation? Is that y square equal to, what is the value for minus 4ax? That is 2y dash into x minus here. So here itself, so that will be plus equal to plus, what is the value for 4a square? That is y square, y dash of square. So here we are going to multiply this x here equal to 2xy y dash plus y square, y dash of square. So this, now we are going to divide it by y throughout the equation. Now we are going to divide it by y in the throughout the equation, here y. So here itself we are getting 2x y dash plus y into y dash of square. So what is the meaning for y? That is y dash, that is dy divided by dx. What is the meaning for y dash? That is dy divided by dx the whole square. So what is meaning for y? That is y dy divided by dx. Now we are going to substitute into the equation. So what is the y? For y dash, okay, meaning that is what is the meaning for y dash, that is dy divided by dx. So now we are going to substitute dy by dx value in the equation. So here we are getting y is equal to 2x dy divided by dx plus y into dy divided by dx the whole square. So here itself, what is the question asking here? Find the differential equation of family of parabola with 4c at the origin and axis along the x-axis. This is a equation for the differential equation of family of parabola. So thank you children. Let me see next exercise in the next class.